The oil aisle now requires an advanced degree. Dear Miss Eileen, I loitered in the cooking aisle today. Not browsing, bewildered, just standing there, clutching my cart, staring at a wall of bottles and waiting for divine intervention. Avocado oil, canola oil, olive oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, vegetable oil. Virgin, extra virgin, refined, cold pressed, blended, pure, imported, organic, almost identical oils with dozens of names and a wild range of prices, all looking very sure of themselves. I picked one up, put it back, picked up another, turned it over, turned it back again, none the wiser. All I needed was oil, basic oil. This used to be simple. Not anymore. Now the oil aisle requires an advanced degree. Eventually, I grabbed a bottle just to move on. I was afraid someone might ask me what I was looking for. The truth is, I have no idea. Signed, I'm still standing in the oil aisle. Oh, I've loitered there too. More options do not always feel like a good thing. Choose 100% olive oil and 100% avocado oil at whatever price point you can afford. That's all. Welcome to Miss Eileen's classroom, where I discuss the wisdom behind my answers. I've reversed my brain fog by eating real food. And my mission now is to help others achieve real health through real food. If this topic interests you, like and subscribe. Now, let's talk about Miss I'm still standing in the oil aisle. That's kind of hard to say, oil aisle. She was not making a lifetime commitment. She was simply grocery shopping. And she found herself lost in the labels, feeling unsure, feeling confused, and eventually feeling silly. But it is not silly to want to know what you are buying. And that is not always easy, not in the US of A, where we are blessed with abundance and ever more clever marketing. Let's clear out the noise. Some oils are very close to the food they came from. Others are so processed, you can't even tell what they started as. They all look wholesome. They all look natural. But looks don't tell you how much an oil has been changed. Don't get me started. So, a simple answer, leave most oils right where they are on those shelves. And choose these, 100% olive oil for salads and low heat cooking, and 100% avocado oil for high heat cooking. That's all.